Everyone, I am Sangeeta representing my group to talk about Elon Musk. My group consists of 6 of us, me myself Sangeeta Krishna, Leenggeswaran Ravindran, Aiman Hakim bin Abdullah Sani, Mishani Sri Krishnan, Shabil Fikri bin Sabri and Sweta Ravindran. I'm going to talk about introduction of Elon Musk. He is an engineer, an industrial engineer who born on June 28 in 1971 from Pretoria, South Africa. He is also a founder, CEO, CTO, and chief engineer of SpaceX. Earlier investor, CEO, product architect of Tesla. He is also a founder of the Boring Company, co-founder of Neuralink, and co-founder of initial co-chairman OpenAI. When he was 17, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University. In 1992, he studied about business and physics at University of Pennsylvania, and he graduated with an undergraduate degree in economics and then headed to Stanford University in California for PhD. After he dropped from the Stanford University, he became a part of launching of the first company Zip2 Corporation in 1995. His family background is father Mandrel Musk, mother Mike Musk. Parents got divorced when he was 10, and mother worked more than 5 jobs to support his family. He has been awarded some awards such as National Conservation Achievement Award for Tesla and SolarCity, and listed as one of Time's 100 people who most affected the world in 2010. The selection factor of this entrepreneur is plan for success but prepare to fail. Even Musk could predict how Tesla Motors will turn out, but as he explained, if something is important enough, you should try even if the probability outcome is failure. And the last not the least, don't follow the trends, create them. Don't just follow the trend, Musk said. The most successful company focus on creating new innovations that don't try to chase the competition. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shani Krishnan here. Today I'm here. I would like to explain about Tesla Motor. Tesla Motor was incorporated in July 2003 by Martin and Mark, who financed the company until the Series A round of funding. Both men played active roles in the company's early development prior to Elon Musk's involvement. Musk led the Series A round of investment in February 2004, joining Tesla's board of directors as its chairman. Furthermore, Elon Musk and Senator Feinstein next to a Tesla Model S at the opening of the Tesla factory 2010, observing an assembly demo at the reopening of the NUMMI plant, now known as the Tesla factory, which is located in Fairmont, California, 2010. Accordingly, Musk favored building a more affordable Tesla model. In this led to the Model 3 that was unveiled in 2016 with a planned base price of $35,000. Initial deliveries began in 2017, with the $35,000 base model becoming available in February 2019. As March of 2020, the Tesla Model 3 is the world's best-selling electric cars in history, with more than 500,000 units delivered. Finally, the line drops. Elon Musk has named the fastest acceleration modes of their vehicle after the Space Force Starship speeds: Ludicrous speed, plate speed. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aiman Hakim bin Abdullah Sani, DC97557, and I will give you a very quick introduction to the Tesla Model S. So, a quick history. Elon Musk's electric vehicle Tesla Model S, codenamed the White Star, production back in 2012 has shocked the auto industry. Tesla Model S break numerous records and shattered the perception of what an electric car could be. Tesla Model S, the car is jam-packed with technology from camera fucking every angle to a built-in sketchpad for bored passengers. The feature of this product is autopilot. It's equipped with autopilot is Tesla advanced suite of active driver help. It's capable of dominating the throttle, brakes, and steering in bound things. The third one, superchargers. Square major Tesla network of quick chargers at present. They solidly work with Tesla vehicle and electrical vehicle to take you from coast to coast by not burning electricity off. Next, the Model S was the primary automobile to supply computer core upgrade via over-the-air updates, autopilot updates, ludicrous and mod, and dozens of different enhancements are superimposed to the Model S, and ARIA Unit 7 resolve all house owners with compatible vehicles. Because the car is internet connected to provide software updates, Tesla was also able to bundle in audio streaming service such as Slacker and Telein. Next, the Internet Affiliation and online browser was the smallest among published a part of the Tesla software package. Next, another advantage is that error suspension permits the automotive to regulate the firmness of the ride to raise suit of driving condition users and adjust the ride height of the automotive. Next, an advanced parking sensor wherever the thing is being detected and the way isolated is. Next, the key secret is formed just like the automobile, and it is also a fairly clever key. Next, the Model S is jam-packed with other options such as GPS can show the vehicle as a rover on Mars, and a nod to Elon Musk's alternative company. Next, Tesla cars are expensive that hasn't stopped individuals from lining up to shop for them. Tesla Model S comes at the beginning worth of $85,000 in the appearance of the Tesla Model S. First of all, the structure and the body panels are made almost entirely of aluminium. The advantage that exists in Tesla Model S is it be a family automobile, which implies it must be ready to hold all the things a family holds. And the meaning of using this product is vehicle may cut the greenhouse emissions and saving the planet. Thank you from me.
Hi everyone, I'm Yogesh. I'm here to present promotion and praise about Telsa. First, I'm talking about promotion, that how Telsa promoting their product. Have you ever saw any advertisement or promotion of Telsa in any traditional marketing media? Well, the answer is no, because this company never invests in doing any extensive promotion activities. The company surprisingly got a lot of coverage from its sales. Also, Elon Musk, the brainchild and CEO of Tesla, with his charming words and powerful knowledge, has been successfully generating a massive amount of free publicity frequently. This company always finds new ways to create media buzz. Next, I'm talking about place that where Telsa is sold their product to user. First, Telsa markets and sells its vehicles directly to the consumer through its international network of company-owned stores and galleries. The company does not use dealership networks to sell its products. Currently, Telsa has stores and galleries that can be found in key metropolitan cities globally in 27 countries. The brand is always also working on developing its supercharger network throughout North America, Europe, Asia, and other key markets to enable convenient long-distance travel. While Tesla has not been able to spread to all the corners of the world and is playing in limited markets, then it is for two reasons. First, its concept is different and not accessible for all. Second are the price of the vehicles. Still, the brand is working on extending its network of supercharger and stores. Thank you.
My name is Sweta Ravindran and I will be explaining about the qualities and individual personalities of Elon Musk. Firstly, I would like to present about the types of personalities and characteristics associated with Elon Musk in determining his success. The first personality is tackle obstacles head on. The second personality is treat failure as a lesson. The third personality is continuously strive for better. The fourth personality is prioritize learning. The fifth personality is hard work and characteristics work ethics. And the last personality is let your vision guide you. Elon Musk has shown his true entrepreneurial capabilities to all his track record. Each time he has put his ideas to light, but of course he's not the only one to do so. Elon Musk's personality and characteristics are something that separates him from the masses and have
We have mentioned at length his power would drive him further and further up and become what he is today, a successful, hardworking, and an enlightened entrepreneur. Secondly, I would like to present about the qualities that Elon Musk possesses. The first quality is entrepreneurial spirit. The second quality is positive energy. The third quality is lead by example. The fourth quality is self-confidence. And the last quality is being obsessed and obsessive. Elon Musk shows his hard work through his achievements and determinations. Musk has worked hard in his companies to come up with the best product and designs. Elon Musk is very motivating and uses his motivation to make products to help our future. Elon Musk thinks that people can do things even if the odds are against them. When odds are against you, it's easy to give up and not try. Musk's motivation inspires him to not give up and do what he wants. If you are determined to do something, do it, even if it's going to be hard. Musk doesn't want to sit around and wait for things to happen. He wants to do things himself.
I'm Shabil Fikri bin Sabri, IT student DM97636. I will explain about the Elon Musk behaviors as an entrepreneur. Elon Musk's first entrepreneur behavior is his opening to experience, also can be known as his risk-taking to get experience in the entrepreneur world. Elon Musk started the journey with a PhD in applied physics and material science in Stanford University, but instead of enrolling to a more secure and suitable job, as his qualification in applied physics and material science, he indeed pursued a business career as an entrepreneur. He continued to gain experience in a bigger branch of business and entrepreneur. He was the co-founder of Zip2, a web software company, before he founded a new banking site himself, which is X.com, the creator of PayPal. The journey of his openness toward experience just don't stop there. He began to enroll in aerospace industry with his new founded SpaceX, while also being open to be one of the founder of transport company that is Tesla, in which we can see here he always try to gain experience even it is not in his main branch of studies, which is PhD in applied physics and material science. This opening behavior of Elon Musk affects his business by making the network between his businesses branches that Elon Musk own become bigger and expanding the scope and the market of his product that continues to maintain their place and his position as an entrepreneur for over 2 decades and still growing now. Secondly, Elon Musk is always work on creating opportunities and grab the opportunities that he create. Elon Musk creating the opportunities for the market to grow very rapidly, proved by his effort as the co-founder of Zip2 in 1995 in designing online city guides as a map given direction. Even it is already did in the newspaper in the classic or old trend to put the map in the newspaper at those time. The founding of X.com also creating the biggest opportunity by starting PayPal in 1998, the first online payment method that still be used for 20 years till now. In SpaceX too, Elon Musk is working in an opportunity in creating Mars as our new home planet in 2024 and started to launch 42,000 Starlink satellites around low Earth orbit that will provide access to internet in every single place for everyone in the world. that will likely creating a huge change and opportunities on online working sector that we already normally use now.